Updating and installing your software, as well as required datasets, can sometimes be annoying and time-consuming. Not so with liNear. The liNear Installation Center is the central location for all program and dataset updates. After opening the Installation Center, you will see the online available program versions of the liNear solutions in the upper area. In the lower area, you can see if there is an update available that you have not yet installed. So here, for example, an update of liNear Solutions 22 to version 22.0.4. Now you can simply download it and the installation will be done automatically. Especially with the major releases and our feature packs during the year, it is worth taking a look at the release highlights, which are directly linked here. On the website, you will then see under What's New the major improvements that have been made within the latest updates. Back in the Installation Center, you will find further settings options via the Extras button. In the settings, in addition to configuring the interface language in your region, you can also select the program mode of the Installation Center. By default, this is set to Search for installations on the web, to check directly on the liNear server if there is an update available. If your computer is not connected to the internet, or if updates are controlled and made available centrally at your company, you have the option here either to download the updates as an administrator in order to make them available locally to your colleagues, or to search for provided updates locally on your company network as a user. You can also install hotfixes that have been made available to you by our support team. New licenses of additional modules or new versions can also be installed centrally here. The customer login in the Installation Center also allows you to download datasets from our industry partners. The login here corresponds to your account on our website, so no additional registration is necessary. Of course, our extensive help is also available for the Installation Center, which provides detailed assistance on all relevant topics. As mentioned before, you can not only keep your program up to date, but also download all updates and newly available datasets. To do this, switch to the Datasets tab. The liNear Installation Center automatically compares the datasets installed on your computer with all available downloads and then offers you these that are not yet installed or do not have the latest version. By the way, this also happens regularly when starting the liNear program. After starting the program, for example here liNear Building, the liNear Live announcement informs you about new or updated downloads. Clicking on View will then also open the liNear Installation Center and show the available downloads there. If you click on the respective manufacturer, you will get a description of the dataset or the last update in the right window and can then decide whether you want to install it. Using the filters, you also have the option of limiting the selection of datasets. For example, you can display only the datasets that can be used with liNear desktop ventilation in your ventilation design. You save a significant amount of time by not having to download and install the dataset individually. You can easily make your selection via the checkboxes and download and install all desired datasets in one step. With a liNear Installation Center, you can conveniently keep your software up to date and have access to all the latest datasets from our industry partners. That's workflow instead of workaround.